Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here to share with you the most amazing haul I just got from White Rose Crafts. And they have a ton of new stuff in their store, and I'm so excited about all these new goodies. Kay had actually put a post up in the White Rose Crafts Facebook group, and I will have a link to that in the description box below for you guys. So you can go over and join the Facebook group, and asking people what they would like in the store, and people replied, and she loaded the store up with all these amazing new goodies that people requested. So how cool is that? It's amazing. So I'm really excited about this haul, and let me get started. And the first thing I'm super excited about is that White Rose Crafts is now carrying lace. How exciting is that? You know how much I love lace. So they are carrying lace. So I did get a little bit of lace. So let me share with you what I got. So this is the first one that I got. It's a really super delicate fine lace. And it'll be really good for flower making, and it would make a nice bow. It would just be really pretty, and I love it because it's so delicate. Look how pretty that would make a bow. Look how gorgeous that would be. So pretty. So I love this one. It's really good all-purpose kind of lace that you need in your stash. So I got that one, and they've got some Venice laces. So I know all my shabby chic friends are going to be excited about this. So she has this one, and I actually got 2 yards of this one. Let me see, will my camera focus? There we go. There we go. Isn't it beautiful? I absolutely love it for the edge of a box, or look at all these little tiny roses on here that you could actually cut out and put around an image. Absolutely beautiful. So I got 2 yards of that one. And then lastly, you guys are going to love this. She has this trim in her store now with the bows. They're double layered bows with the pearl in the middle. Aren't they gorgeous? And she's selling it by the yard, so you get a ton of bows for 1 yard. You get lots. So lots of beautiful laces and trims are now in the White Rose Craft store. So super excited about that. And the other thing that I'm very excited about is she's now selling chipboard. And the chipboard is from Creative Embellishments, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard of. Great company. This is some chipboard words. And I'll take these ones out so you can see what they're like. And I've worked for a chipboard company before, as a lot of you know. And this chipboard is very good quality. It says Imagine. This is the thicker chipboard. It's not the thin chipboard. And then this one says Hope. And this one says Wish. And Dream. And Joy. So I got some words, and then a lot of these are single, but there's ones in particular that I really do want to show you guys. So this one is like flourishes. You can see there's 2 in this package. And these are the Artist Trading Coin top pieces. Sorry for the crinkling. These go on top of your Artist Trading Coins. And I love these. So I'm going to be doing a video on how to create Artist Trading Coins using these. Love these. Absolutely love those. Did I leave my autofocus on? I think I did. Hang on guys, 1 second. Yes, I did, of course. There we go. So those are cool. And then this is a chipboard steampunk heart. How cool is that? Chipboard butterflies. There's, I think, 3 in there. 1, 2, yeah, there's 3 of them in there. Different butterfly shapes. These I'm dying over. These are fairies, and there's quite a few in here. So let me take these all out and see how many there is, because I don't know. But look at these beauties. This one, this one, this one. Love her. Love this one. And I love that one. So how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 in that package. And that one is, because I know there's a lot of people who like fairies, it's E1073 in the store. But if you look under the chipboard section or the new arrival section, you'll find the chipboard and the fairies. Just go through all the chipboard. There's quite a bit of chipboard. Okay. And then this is a butterfly flourish. There. Sorry for the glare. And then look at this beauty. This is a steampunk butterfly. Love this. And then, of course, you know, I love clocks, so again, steampunk, but look at these clocks and gears. And you get the tiny little hands with it too, for the clock. I know there's a bit of a glare, but there we go. Oh, and I love this one too. Look at this heart with wings. So gorgeous. And then this is like a frame with stars. It's a circular frame and it has stars on it. Trying to get it so you can see it without the glare. Hope that's working. There. Super pretty. And then lastly, I got this honeycomb. So you will find, of course, the link to the White Rose Craft store in the description box, as well as the Facebook page. And also, while we're at this point in the video, let me share with you that there's a code you can use at the checkout, and you will get 15% off your order. And it's Kim15, and there's a space in between Kim and 15. So Kim and then space 15. But that'll be in the description box as well. And this is before your shipping, so you put it in at the end just before you check out, and you will get 15% off your order if you use that code. So yay! Also, new Graphic 45. You know, I'm a fan of Graphic 45, so I'm gonna kind of quickly go through these for you guys. This one's called Flutter, and you know how I feel about butterflies, but these papers are absolutely stunning. They're just gorgeous, and you get 3 of each. Look at that. And there's the B side. So this is like bugs and dragonflies and butterflies and things that fly. That's bees, which I love. Of course, I love the smell of Graphic 45 paper too. Bugs, super cool. That would be really cute for a mini album for like a little boy. You could use those sheets for that, but look at this. Look at this gorgeous shabbiness here with the flowers and the dragonflies and the butterflies. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Some blue stripes. Butterflies. So I'm sure you can see a theme with the chipboard and the paper that I got. And there's the B side of that one. And then, of course, the tags and the sentiments. And then the B side is some ants, which is funny. I love this page. Look at this. So gorgeous with the beautiful pink flowers and the greens. And then, of course, look at this. All these butterflies you can fussy cut out. So that's going to be happening probably today. So that, and then I got a 12 by 12. Where can I put this? I got a 12 by 12 of the Garden Goddess, which this paper is amazing. It's so beautiful. Let me open this up and share it with you. Again, sorry for the crinkling. So this is called the Garden Goddess, and it's all pinks and ivories and soft lemony yellow, sage green. It's just beautiful. So that's the cover, and you do get like tags and, you know, templates to cut things out, a gift tag and things like that. You always get that with your Graphic 45. So let me put that there. And here is the first page. Isn't it amazing? So you get 2 sheets of each. So I love it. It's so pretty. And there's the B side. All these little tiny daisies. Beautiful sunflowers, and you can see all the little garden goddesses in the paper. It's just so beautiful. I just love it. Absolutely love it. And there's the B side. This beautiful sage and lime green sunflower page. And then look at this side. I think it's the same paper. It could, yeah, I think it is. It's the same paper. It's just this side is just in green, and then this side is the colored side with the pinks. Absolutely beautiful. And then, of course, you've got your cards and your tags here. Really just beautiful. Garden Goddess. Happiness blossoms where seeds of kindness have been thoughtfully planted. Beauty blossoms from the inside. The flower doesn't dream of the bee. It blossoms and the bee comes. Love it. Look at, I love this one. I love them all, really. They're so pretty. Oh, dying over these papers. And there's the B side. Pink daffodils. And then this gorgeous page, Beauty Blossoms from the Inside, with the clocks and the goddess. Do you see what I was thinking about when I was making this order? Right? So that, let's see here. Oh yes, and here's the B side of that one, which is some yellow irises. And then look at this beautiful, these are hyacinths and little daisies and beautiful flowers. I just absolutely love this paper. And then when you flip that paper over, you have, I believe these are hydrangeas on this side. Beautiful pink hydrangeas. And then you have, which you get with all Graphic 45 papers, you get these rows of stamps and trimming edges and sentiments, and so you get 2 pages of that, and then the green stripes. Gorgeous sunflower. Would this not be amazing for an autumn project? So beautiful. I love sunflowers. I actually have some sunflower lace in my stash too that would be beautiful with that. So, and then there's this beautiful pale yellow on the other side. So absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous papers from Graphic 45. And there's more Graphic 45, more than I'm showing you here. But just tons of great new things in the White Rose Craft Store. So please do go over and check out all the great items and lace. Lace, lace, lace in the White Rose Craft Store now. Super happy about that. And papers and chipboards and all, just there's tons of new stuff. You have to go over and have a look. And don't forget to use your discount code for 15% off your order before shipping, and all that information will be in the description box for you guys. So thanks for watching, everybody, and go check out the store. I'm sure you'll be happy you did. So take care, guys. I'll be back with another video soon. Bye.